Very good morning, my dear children. In today's maths class, we are going to revise table of 9 and we are going to do sums on that. And after that, we are going to see table of 10. Are you all ready for today's session? Now, table of 9. Repeat after me. Whatever I'm saying, just repeat after me. 9 ones are 9. 9 ones are 9. 9 twos are 18. 9 twos are 18. 9 twos are 18. 9 ones are 9. 9 twos are 18. 9 threes are 27. 9 threes are 27. 9 threes are 27. 9 fours are 36. 9 fours are 36. 9 fours are 36. 9 fives are 45. 9 fives are 45. 9 fives are 45. 9 six are 54. 9 six are 54. 9 sevens are 63. 9 sevens are 63. 9 eights are 72. 9 eights are 72. 9 nines are 81. 9 nines are 81. 9 tens are 90. 9 tens are 90. Shall we say one more time? 9 ones are 9. 9 twos are 18. 9 threes are 27. 9 fours are 36. 9 fives are 45. 9 sixes are 54. 9 sevens are 63. 9 eights are 72. 9 nines are 81. 9 tens are 90. Just revise the table from table of 6 to table of 9. Yes, just revise it. Then only you can do sums. Clear? So now, shall we do sums on this? Now, fill in the boxes. Fill in the boxes. Some boxes are empty boxes are there. We are going to fill that empty boxes. Shall we do that now? So for this, you should know tables. Now, and we know one important factor, right? When we change the order of multiplication, when we change the order, the product will be the same. Correct? 3 into 2 is also is equal to 2 into 3, right? So same way, first sum 8 into dash, this box we are going to fill now. 8 into dash is equal to 9 into 8. 8 into dash is equal to 9 into 8. So we know 9 into 8. Just change the order for this. We know 9 into 8, right? Now change the order now. 9 into 8. So 8 into... So this 8 into 9, right? So this 9 is missed out here. So 8 into 9. What is missed out there? 9. Just write down 9 in the box. 8 into 9. Just see here we have 9 into 8. Just change the order change the order. So 8 into 9. So what is missed out in this? This 9 is missed out, right? So 8 into 9 is equal to 9 into 8. Now tell me the answer for 9 eights are? 9 eights are 72. 9 eights are 72. In second box write 72. 9 eights are 72. Have you all written? Yes, 8 into 9 is equal to 9 into 8. So answer is 9 8s are 72. Now let's move on to the next one. Dash into 9 is equal to 9 into dash. See, this we know. So with what, with 9, what number we should multiply so that we'll get the answer as 36. We should get the answer as 36. With 9, what number we should multiply so that we'll get the answer as 36. Just say the 9 table. 9 into 9 ones are 9, 9 twos are 18, 9 threes are 27, 9 fours are 36, isn't it? 9 fours are is 36. So when 9 fours are is 36. So with 9, what number I should multiply so that I'll get the answer as 36? To multiply 9 by 4. 9 into 4, right? Shall we write 4 here? So second sum, just see with 9 what number we should multiply. See, so this both numbers we don't know. So what we should do now? So with 9 what number we should multiply so that we'll get the answer as 36. 9 fours are 36 or else 4 nines are 36, isn't it? So I'm writing 4. 4 into 9 is equal to, just write the first box, write 4. And second box also, this 4 will come. 9 into 4. 9 fours are 36. 4 9 is also 4 nines are is also 36. Have you written? 8 nines are, first one A, 8 into 9 is equal to 9 into 8. 9 eights are 72. Then second one. So these two numbers we don't know. So what we should do? So with 9 what number we should multiply so that we'll get the answer of 36. 9 into 4. 9 fours are 36. So right, 4 into 9 is equal to 9 into 4. Now let's move on to the next one. See sum. Just see, 6 into 9 is equal to 6 into 9 is equal to 9 into what number will come? So we know 6 into 9. Just change the order now for 6 into 9. 9 into 6, right? So write 6 in the first box. 6 into 9 is equal to, just change the order for 6 into 9. So 9 into 6. Same answer, right? When 6 into 9 is also is equal to 9 into 6. So now tell me, 9 6 are? 9 6 are? Just say 9 tables from the first and tell me what is the answer. 9 6 are, or else 9 you're going to add 6 times. 9 plus 9 plus 9 plus 9 plus 9 plus 9. So 9 6 are 54. 9 6 are 54. Right in the second box, 54. 9 6 are 54. 6 nines are is also 54. Shall we move on to the next one? D. 9 sevens are is equal to 9 sevens are is equal to dash into 9. Same way, just change the order. 9 into 7 we know. Just change the order now. 7 into 9. This is missing, right? So 7 into 9. 7 into 9. 9 into 7 is equal to 7 into 9. Now you are going to tell me the answer for this. 9 sevens are. Just think and tell me 9 sevens are. What answer will come here? Think and tell me the answer now. 9 sevens are 63. 9 sevens are 63. 7 nines are also 63. I'll repeat one more time. See sum. 6 into 9 is equal to 9 into. So just we are changing the order for 6 into 9. So 9 into 6. So 9 6 are 54. Now D sum. 9 into 7 is equal to, just change the order for 9 into 7. So 7 into 9 is equal to 63. Shall we move on to the next one? Dash into 5 is equal to 9 into 5. Sorry, 5 into 9. Dash into 5 is equal to 5 into 9. So we know this 5 into 9. Just change the order for this 5 into 9. So 9 into 5, right? Just change the order. 9 into 5. 9 into 5 is equal to 5 into 9. Now tell me 9 fives are, you know 9 tables, right? So 9 fives are 45. 9 fives are 45. Write down 4 5 45. 9 fives are 45. Shall we move on the next one? F sum 9 into 3 is equal to 3 into, it's easy, see 9 into 3 we know, just change the order for this now. 9 into 3, 3 into, so this 9 we go, the 3 into 9. So 9 into 3 is equal to 3 into 9, right? So now tell me 9 threes are 27. Write down 2 7 27. 9 threes are 27. Have you all written? I'll repeat it one more time. So E sum dash into 5 is equal to 5 into 9. So 5 into 9, change the order. 5 into 9, 9 into 5. So write 9 into 5. 9 fives are 45. Next F sum 9 into 3 is equal to 3 into, so 9 into 3, change the order. So 3 into 9. Now 9 threes are 27. Second box, write 27. Now we'll see table of 10 now. So table of 10. Are you all ready? Yes. Now just count how many matchsticks are there here. Just see. First, how many groups are there here? Here we have, how many groups? Only one group, right? So here we have matchsticks. Then count how many matchsticks are there in that group. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So in each group we have 10, right? So one group, in the first one we have only one group. In each group we have, in that group we have 10 matchsticks. So 1 times 10, right? So 10 ones are, just count all together. 10 ones are 10. Write down 10 ones are, so 10 ones are 10. Now move on to the second one. How many groups we have? Just count how many groups we have. 1, 2 groups, right? So next we have 2 groups. In each group 10, 10. So here also we have 10 matchsticks, 10 matchsticks. So 2 groups of 10. 2 times 10. That means 10 plus 10. So first we have 10, 10 plus 10. 2 times we are going to add 10. 2 times 10, 10 plus 10, 20. Write down 10 twos are 20. 10 ones are 10. 10 twos are 20. Just third one, just see how many groups here we have. Here we have 3 groups. Same way each group we have 10 matchsticks, right? So in the first one we have 10 matchsticks, second also 10, third also 10 matchsticks. So now add all together. So 3 times 10. So 3 times you're going to add 10. 10 plus 10 plus 10. So 30. 10 threes are 30. 10 threes are 30. 10 ones are 10. 10 twos are 20. 10 threes are 30. Shall we move on to the next one? Just count how many groups are there. 1, 2, 3, 4. Here we have 4 groups. In each group same we have 10, 10, right? So 10, 10, 10, 10. So you're going to add 10 4 times. How many times? 10 plus 10 plus 10 plus 10. So 40. 10 fours are 40. 10 fours are 40. 10 ones are 10. 10 twos are 20. 10 threes are 30. 10 fours are 40. Now let's move on to the next one. Just count how many groups are there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Here we have 5 groups. And in each group, just count the matrix. Each group we have 10, 10 matrix, right? So now add all together. 10 plus 10 plus 10 plus 10 plus 10. 5 times you are going to add 10. So 10 5s are 50. Add all together. 10 plus 10 20. 20 plus 10 30. 30 plus 10 40. 40 plus 10 50. Now repeat after me. 10 ones are 10. 10 twos are 20. 10 threes are 30. 10 fours are 40. 10 fives are 50. 10 six are 60. Sorry, next we'll see that 10 6 are. Just see how many groups. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Here we have 6 groups. Same way each group we have 10, right? So 10 we are going to add how many times? 6 times. 10 plus 10 plus 10 plus 10 plus 10 plus 10. So now 10 6 are 60. 10 6 are 60. Now let's move on to the next one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. How many groups we have? 7 groups. In each group, how many matrix? So 10 matrix. 10 we are going to add 7 times. Just see. 10, 10, 10 plus 10, 20. 20 plus 10, 30. 30 plus 10, 40. 50, 60, 70. So 10 sevens are 70. Now let's move on to the next one. Just count how many groups are there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So here we have 8 groups. Same way each group we have 10. Now add all together. 10 8s are 80. We are going to add 10 8 times. So 10 8s are 80. 10 8s are 80. Now let's move on to the next one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Here we have 9 groups. Each group we have 10, 10. So 10, we are going to add 9 times. 10 plus 10 plus like this. 10 plus 10, 20. 20 plus 10, 30. 30 plus 10, 40. 40 plus 10, 50. 60. 60 plus 10, 70. 70 plus 10, 80. 80 plus 10, 90. So 10 nines are 90. Next one. So 10. Just see how many groups. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So here we have 10 groups. Each groups 10, 10. So 10 tens are 100. 10 tens are 100. Shall we say the table? I will say, you are going to repeat after me. 10 ones are 10. 10 twos are 20. 10 threes are 30. 10 fours are 40. 10 fives are 50. 10 6 are 60. 10 sevens are 70. 10 8s are 80. 10 9s are 90. 10 10s are 100. Now just revise learn the tables from 6 to 9 thoroughly, children. Then only you can do sums on that. Okay, just learn the tables from 6 to 9. Next class we'll do the sums on table of 10. See you in the next class, children. Thank you.